took over genocidal policies in Pakistan. We are not able to speak up like we are in this country, in Australia. We are warners. We want to warn against the Chinese government to you guys. They will bring, wallahi, they'll bring their policies here as well. We have seen such policies come. It's come to us. Just look at the Uyghur people. Look at the Tibetan people. Look at the Mongolian people. Look at the Hong Kongers. Look at Taiwan. Look at Muslims. Look at the Christians. Everyone is suffering in China, in Tibet, in East Turkestan. I urge everyone to wake up, to spread this message that China, the Chinese government, is the enemy of the world. Just a couple of years ago, even ourselves, the very Australians, we suffered, we lived through the Chinese virus. We got a little taste, perhaps 1% of what people in China, in Taiwan, in Hong Kong, in Tibet, and especially the worst genocidal policies the world has seen to come since Nazi Germany, since Hitler. So I urge everyone to wake up. Please support us. Please share this on your social media. Please tell your family and friends. Vote our Australian vote. We have to implement. We have to share this with our members of parliament, and we really need to make a change. You would have seen us. We're only probably maybe 50 people here. There are actually hundreds, if not thousands, of Uyghurs living in Australia. We standing here is a risk to our family. We are risking our families' lives, each and every one of us.